Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Alana binti Muhammadan. I'm from AS120B. I was assigned to do a case study for this semester, which is another can of bull. Red Bull started in 1897 by the Trich, owner of the Australia-based company that sells one product, which is energy drinks. These energy drinks contain taurine, where the is an acid amino that sold in a slim and silver color 8.3 ounce can. The company's target hit the drinks in yacht segment has been infinite around the globe. In 2001, United States has boosted $51 million and captured 70% of the energy drinks market worldwide in Red Bulls. The Red Bull maintained its cool image with virtual non-mass market advertising from Stanford University in California to the beaches in Australia and Thailand. What is energy drinks? Energy drink is one of the beverage that contains a stimulant ingredients which is in high level. It usually have caffeine, also sugar, and other often supplements such as vitamins or carnitine. These supplements are promoted as a product capable of enhancing mental alertness, like overcoming tiredness and physical performance, such as have extra energy to consuming during and after activities. Definition: energy in biological terms is capacity to do work. In energy drink, in Greek word where the origin of energy, energia, means action. There are another meaning which are energized, is active, and is in an aggregate is work. The problem that I found is the energy drink used by athletes works well because it can boost energy. However, the drinks can cause diseases such as blood sugar level increasing and diabetes, for the level of sugar that contains in the energy drinks is high. The consequence to the company that sells energy drinks, they can lose profits and customers. To overcome this issue, we have to know the functions of ingredients that contains in energy drinks to our body. The foods that we eat supplies energy to our body parts such as muscle, brain, heart, and liver because they need it to work. The food that contains carbohydrate was digested in stomach by acid and enzyme, where they break it down into glucose. Later, the absorbed glucose was released into the bloodstream from the stomach and small intestine. They immediately can be used for energy or stored it for later. To use or store glucose for energy, it needs insulin. Nonetheless, the glucose is in the bloodstream can make the level of blood sugar increasing because there is no insulin to control it. There are ingredients that listed on the energy drinks. One of the ingredients is energy drinks contains B group vitamins that are vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin C, B6, and vitamin B12. This group of vitamin is water-soluble vitamins that is sugar or called carbohydrates, but only 11 grams per 100 milliliter drinks, same as apple and orange juice. However, there is sugars-free energy drinks. Taurine also contains in energy drinks, or it is an amino acid. They uses the high quality water that is alpine water, one of the world's biggest freshwater reservoirs, where the source is in Austria and Switzerland. Lastly, energy drinks also contain 50 mg of caffeine per 250 milliliter. The physiological role of energy drink with caffeine to stimulate brain function and increase alertness, also concentration. Other than that, sugar provides energy. Taurine is an amino acid, and it also influences blood pressure, growth hormone production, and hypothalamus stimulation. Lastly, water physiological role is to make body stay hydrated. Ingredients that provide energy is sugar because it's carbohydrate, and when it's breakdown, the energy will be generated. The most common ingredients that can be found in energy drinks is caffeine. Nevertheless, it's often combined with taurine, B group vitamins, and other L's to form energy blend. When it comes to boost energy, I'll definitely will choose energy drinks rather than soft drinks. In order to boost my energy, soft drinks will never give me enough energy like energy drinks because the ingredient that contains in it has limits that's not same as soft drinks. My conclusion is, in this case study, I learned how the lactic acid fermentation works. It changed the glucose from 3-pyruvate sugar into cellular energy using metabolism. Metabolism then will produce glucose that have been processed, and stomach and instinct will absorb it and bring it into our bloodstream. Bloodstream will spread the glucose to muscles, brain, heart, and liver to produce energy that can be used or stored for later. Thank you. That's all from me.